All right, knee drop. So this is the first transition. This is the first transition that is going to take you from standing to the ground. Okay. So first of all, this can be done on both sides. Once again, this can be done on both sides. So if it is uncomfortable on one side, try it on the other. The beautiful thing about being a beginner in anything, especially with this dance, is you can actually learn the movement on both sides, and you're equally awkward starting off. So it's perfectly okay to just experiment on both sides. So I'm going to do it on my left foot with my left knee with my right foot. So first thing is you go up on your left leg, right leg hooks very tightly behind the knee. Your hands are out diagonally to your left, and you are going to shift diagonally and land just on this part of your foot. Watch me first. I'm going to do it nice and slow. You're going to catch yourself. You see how no knee, nothing, just the foot lands, but it's so nicely wrapped, like in this little cute package right here. Right? So, one more time. Right foot really tight behind the left. Hands out. You're going to catch yourself. You're going to land flat on this foot. Diagonal to the left. Down. Yeah! Good, 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 good. Okay. So we're going to corkscrew out. So stay right here. Stay right here. What you're going to do is you're going to use your left leg, right, the quad, this muscle, and you're going to push to a standing position, and you're going to turn to your right. Okay? So with both hands, you're going to come, watch me first, you're going to come up. Okay? And then see how my awkward, little lazy awkward foot right there, just drag it back. Okay? Yeah, good. Good, good, good. Good. Okay, again. I'm going to work on the details. So, right foot behind left knee, hands out, landing just on this foot, down. And you can totally drop. Like, it's meant to be a drop. So if it feels heavy, that's supposed to be that way. You're going to come up. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I don't want you to force the full turn yet, because there's a very specific movement when you force that full turn. So just stop wherever you come up, and then we'll go from there. Okay? So right foot behind left knee, hand out, down, catch. Okay, so now watch me. I'm going to come up as far as my body will let me go, like as in that rotation, and then the very last part of it is I just drag my foot up and just force the rest of the turn so I'm facing in front again. Okay? Go ahead. Yeah, good, good. Okay. Back down. You give me the elbows. Hands out. Okay. So now to get up with speed and finesse is all in your right elbow. Okay. So you're gonna take your right elbow and you're gonna launch it behind you. Right. So watch me first. You're gonna launch it behind you, and then you're gonna twist at the very peak of that launch. And your whole body is going to whip up. So like this.
Okay, so
cool.
I have a question.
Go
What
ahead.
happens if our body naturally lands like this every time? Just naturally.
You're going to want to let this part of your foot go second.
Okay. But what if let's say you have a bad knee and then lock in place?
So if you have a bad knee, this particular movement should be avoided. Okay. So right leg again behind left, hands out, drop. Okay, up. Again, without me, I'm going to watch. Right leg behind left, hands out, drop, spin up. Yes, good, good. Boom. Cool. Yeah, good.
It's okay to have your feet off the ground a lot, or are you trying to get it down?
So go ahead and do it real quick. Let me see what you mean. Boom. So it is totally okay to have your foot off the ground, but the illusion is that it's on the ground. So you're just dragging the heck out of it. This is like, so when you come down like this, technically what's happening is you're going like this. Right? So that foot's all the way off the ground. Just fake it. Just drag it around. Okay? So it looks like you're grounded. So same thing again, one more time. Boom. Drop. drag it. Yeah, yeah. And so this particular floor is kind of sticky, but when you bring it around, like it really is, like technically you could lift your foot off the ground completely and place it down, but the movement looks the way it does because I'm dragging my foot on the ground. Okay, so how's everyone feel combining top rock into drop? Good? All right, no music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. Up. Good. Okay, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop back up. Good. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop and up. Yeah. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop back up. Good. Okay. So I'm going to explain one detail that can help you, depending on how your body naturally moves, to get that full spin. Everyone drop down here. Okay, so you have a choice. When you come up, right, you can either drag this foot back or you can drag this foot forward. It's really up to you. Like, I have a tendency when I move really fast to drag my foot forward, just because I'm right-handed and I do everything leaping off my right foot. So I have a tendency of pulling forward, but there's no right or wrong way to do it. Like, it gets the same results, okay? So, knee drop one more time, back up. Right foot behind left, hands out, drop. So now let's try the other way. Nice and slow, up. When you get here, drag that foot forward. Cool? All right, so comfortable, beat, yeah, good. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop. Up. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 6, 7, 8. Drop. Up. One more time. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, without me again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. How's that feel?
Good.
Good? Good, controlled, comfortable? Alright, we are going into our first footwork step. So